Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And in this video, we are going to see that how you can enable the vim control in LeetCode code editor. So to enable the in vim commands, just go to the any problem statement. Like I am just selecting the Pascal triangle. Then just click on the setting button. Here is the setting button. Just click on the setting. Click on the code editor, and I am using the vim already. So by default, it will be at standard. So just toggle it to the vim. And enjoy. Now you can use the vim command in LeetCode code editor for just a basic tutorial. Just if you want to go to the up, just up lines, then just press the K. You go to the up. If you want go to the down, then just press the J. If you want to move your cursor to the right, then just press the L. And you want to move your cursor to the left, then you can press H. And if you want to switch the line, like as you want to directly jump to the line number one, then just press the shift column and press the line and enter the line number here. Like I want to jump to the line number one, then just press one and enter, and you are the line number one. So that's all, and you can visit more commands also. That's all. Thank you and enjoy LeetCode.